This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Paige Kovari. Horse Lover's Dream Home. CBS, 3-bed 2-bath split floor plan home with single car garage. Vaulted ceilings in living area and master, screened back porch off French doors. Brand new metal roof being installed. A second driveway leads to the horse barn, approximately an additional 864 square feet with concrete aisle and cross ties, 2 stalls in barn and 1 separate additional third stall/paddock. Inside the barn is an enclosed large feed/tack room with a flex space that has a roughed-in bathroom and room that could be secondary living quarters. Large fenced yard with pond, plenty of room to have a large arena. 220 RV hookup, trailer parking space. For more information,